Sit. Good. All right, what's your name? Emma, where are you from? Emma came all the way from Florida to come see our show. All right, Emma, thank you very much. You're going to be my actress. Let's go ahead and welcome out our K-9 co-star from the movie Marmaduke. This is Sandy. Go ahead, that's really nice. Or not. All right, Sandy, go over here. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate one of the more difficult techniques known as the work away. Now, the work away is where we make it appear as though the dog is taking his cue from the actress and not the trainer off stage. Now, the way we set this up, I'm going to go ahead and place one of Sandy's favorite treats right there in the ground with a focus on it. I'm going to work behind Sandy and I'm going to use vertical commands. That tree was for the dog. That was disgusting. All right, let's try to stay. Try this one more time. All right, guys, this is the work way. Sandy, watch it. Sandy down. Head down. Head up. Head up. On your feet. On your feet. On your feet. Back up. Hey, that wasn't for you. All right, we're going to try this one more time. Sit. Good. On your feet. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Good. Sit. One set, take two, and action. Steady, watch it. Down. On your feet. On your feet. Back up. Back up. Back up. Stand. Stand. All right. That's standing on the work away. Great job, buddy. Now, since you did such a great job with Sandy, we're going to go ahead and do one more scene. This is Sandy's dramatic scene. Now, what I need you to do, you're going to be my actress. He's been looking for you all day. He's going to run over to you. You're going to put your arm out like this because you're going to catch Sandy. Yeah, just like that. You're going to catch Sandy. He's going to give you a big, wet, sloppy kiss on the lips. Sounds good? Perfect. Hey, sit. Good, stay. Quiet on the set, and action. Oh no, guys, something's wrong. Nobody panic. Sammy? Sammy! No! She was my best friend, and now look at her. She's dead. She's dead. Guys, this isn't funny. He's dead. Oh, hey. You guys see that? I just got a tweet. It appears to be a note from Sammy's agent. He's just offered a movie deal for $1 million. Let's try $2 million. All right, how about a day with that, cutie? Kiss him every job. Good job, Sammy. I think I promised you a doggy kiss. Is there a movie star backstage that can help us out? Sit there, hold your arms out. It's Beethoven. Beethoven, go ahead and give her a kiss. Great job, Beethoven. Off you go. Thank you very much for helping us out. You guys give a round of applause. Now for our next action star, I'm going to have everybody focus